Some jobs don't go as smooth as what you'd expect. This was supposed to be just a chain and sprockets and a basic service. Every single bolt was seized solid to the point where they had to be cut out, drilled out. Not much fun, not much fun, and there's no oil in the window. So that belly pan has not been off for a long time because I have had to literally cut everything off. So, when was the last time it had a service? Where's my spanner? 19mm spanner, 19mm spanner. So I'm not holding hopes out for a lot of oil coming out of here. Let's see. Oh, more than I expected. More than I expected, but obviously, look at the state of it. Not good.